Okay, these big gaps we got in here, we're going to fill them right up. Good? Let's get these gaps pre-fill. Come on. What's our goal? Flat and smooth. That's what we're doing. We're creating a flat and smooth surface. You know, sometimes when we go into the old plaster jobs, and, you know, old plaster was done with trowels, and the mechanics feel on the wall. Some places you had, you know, 3/8 of an inch to 1/4 inch. It all depend on who was troweling it on that day, if they were strong, if they weren't strong, how they felt. I like to tell my customers, when you're doing plaster repair work, it's very difficult to get flat and smooth. So I'm going to give you smooth. But here, being that we're working with sheetrock, we're going to go with flat and smooth. Always clean, right? There's two ways you can do this. You can wait for this to set up and then apply your mesh tape. Or you can apply it now while it's still wet. Both work. Okay? I'm going to show you what I use. I said earlier, there's a lot of different mesh tapes out there. A lot of pros and cons of the mesh tape. A lot of opinions about mesh tape. This is what I use all the time. This is what works for me. This is a mesh tape that is made with your nylon, your fiberglass, or whatever it is, this way and this way. It's extra strength and it's self-stick, okay? I've had no issues with this. I've been using this a really long time. This stuff is phenomenal. This is great. It's a little stronger than your traditional nylon mesh tape that just goes in a checkerboard style. This has the crisscrosses in it too. I highly recommend this. We want to apply it as so. Okay? Doesn't matter which way you do it, as long as the seam is in the center of the tape. You get a little hair pull, flatten it out. A lot of people, you'll hear a lot of different people, they go from end to end or from seam to seam. From edge of the tape to edge of the tape. Okay? I don't really think it matters. So my preference is I always go the end of the tape to the end of the tape that I put on. Okay, as so. Now, some folks are going to say, hey, why do you use the mesh tape? Why don't you use traditional paper tape? Can you use paper tape? You sure can. Paper tape is going to have a tendency to sit proud of the surface that we're trying to repair. Mesh tape is going to sit and draw in slightly better, creating a flat and smooth surface. That's our goal. That's why I use the mesh tape, okay? Now, once I have that mesh tape on there, procedure that I always like to use, and I don't skip this procedure because I found that it works for me, is I like to embed. I still have some of that material left that I mixed up earlier. I like to now embed that mesh tape with the plaster mixture, as so. Okay? And it's putting it on and taking it off. All I'm doing is embedding that mesh. See, I'm getting a little drags in there. I got stuff in my material. That's why we like to keep it clean. It just makes it a lot easier. I embed that mesh tape. Oh, there's a little spot I missed. In the plaster mixture. I like that bond. Okay. I like that plaster to get into the membrane of the mesh tape. Man, I got a lot of loose stuff, a lot of dried up stuff in my material here. So we're going to get that out. All right. I like to fill that with a nice quick set plaster in there. I don't just like to coat on top of that and then have it, draw in, draw out, whatever you have. We're on a painted surface, right? This is a procedure I don't skip. I always embed the mesh tape with whatever material I'm using. It works for me. Can you skip it? Sure. I don't. This is how I do it. The stuff is already starting to set up, right? Give us just enough workability, right? Again, you can control the workability with this mixture. The more plaster you put in, the more water you put in, faster it's going to dry, right? More plaster, the ratio from plaster to compound. The compound actually is slowing that process down to workability. It's not going to stop it, it's going to slow it down. So remember that rule of thumb, more water, you need more plaster. More plaster dries faster. More plaster dries faster. Now we're rhyming. It's amazing what happens, right?